guys, it's Lesley here. So at the moment we're in a bed and breakfast that we're taking over. So there's lots of stuff everywhere, like beds and tables. Aaron, do you want to come say hi? We're also on the SA tour, by the way, so we've got lots of people here having a look around. This is Aaron Bond, and he's driven from Somerset. I'm going to call you Mr. Bond. So guys, just to let you know, this place used to be an 11-bedroom HMO, I believe. So just come have a look, because there are some rooms that don't have anything in them. Do you want to have a peek? Trevor Cutmore is here as well.
I cannot believe it, Lesley, this is amazing.
Oh, I'm so glad you like it.
How did you get all this?
By building a relationship with the landlord, a long-term relationship. This has been on the books for about a year now. And
so slowly.
Yeah, because they had to redo it because of acoustic problems, acoustic testing, and they're getting the right licensing at the moment, which is a C1. And I believe that's gone or going through, because my brother's an architect and he's helping them with this. Look at all of this. Should I just show you? Like, it's just a good space, no? At the end of the day. It needs a bit of work.
Yeah, there's a little bit of mess in there, isn't it? But that's it's minor. It is
but
minor.
I'll tell you what though, the landlord is in charge of rectifying all that. For us, it's just design and running it. Yeah. What do you think? It's a great location, isn't it?
I love it. It's amazing.
What do you think? What do you think?
Yeah, he's great.
Wait until you get the best deal at the best location. Then that's when you should raise the money and go for it. So this is the showcase room. Is it just good, isn't it?
I love it.
Come. Yeah, have a look. So this is the showcase room. This is, how do I say Cham.
Yeah.
Oh God. Cham. And Martin, who heads up our legal.
Hello.
And this is our showroom. What do you think? Do you like it?
This is
Claire
amazing.
should be here.
This is amazing. How did you get this?
I wonder what Trevor's done.
No, actually, it's still got just fixed on.
Yeah, so this is a showcase room. So obviously, I'm hoping it's all going to look much better. What do you guys think so far?
It's really good. Really nice, yeah.
You have to, so it's going to be interesting, because when it's finished, then I would want, if you guys want to come back for another tour. Yeah, because you can remember what it was before, like and after.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm glad I've got one showroom to show you guys. Hello, Jane. Hi. I heard that you look very nice.
It's trying to be warm.
Welcome. How are you?
Good.
So just to let you know what we're looking at, this is a bed and breakfast we're taking over.
nice.
So it's getting licensed at the moment, and we've got one showroom here. So we just got approval from the landlord for this to be, that he's okay the budget, because he's going to be spending money. Get a picture of that in. Look at you, your little Russian hat. Get a picture of that in. Oh, this is so exciting, isn't it?
I feel like she was so tall, small, aren't I?
I am a tall one. I'm a tall Asian person.
You are actually, aren't you?
Yeah.
I was just talking to a guy from Pakistan, and he was like going in it, and London. Yeah, let's not. You're not filming, are you?
This is James, by the way. He's our videographer. How are you liking it? It's like a good experience. Yeah, it's a good experience. You guys have to come back when it's all done. Yeah?